Thank you for purchasing my SiK Imagery Sky Replacement Pack. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import them into Photoshop to be able to use for your own. You want to navigate to where you saved that folder once you've downloaded them. Mine is in my downloads folder, and you're going to want to put them in a place that Photoshop will always be able to reference them, so that way you aren't missing any skies. So I created this new folder here, Photoshop Sky Replacements, where all of my skies will live. So let's drag that folder over to that new folder. So now let's open up Photoshop and let's open a picture. File open, and let's see, the picture we're going to use is on my desktop, half dome example. So here it is, pretty plain blue sky. And now let's go to edit, which is in the menu bar here. Tap on that, and now go down to sky replacement. Now it will load whichever preset has already been installed. That's just a default, and you just click on this little arrow here. And what I like to do is create a new folder for all of my sky packs. So let's call this one SiK Blue Skies. Click OK. Now you want to highlight that so that way all of the pictures that you import go directly into that folder. So now navigate down to this little plus sign here, tap on that, and go to where you created that folder or wherever you dragged it to where these skies will live. Mine was in my pictures, Photoshop Sky Replacements, and we are going to import the JPEGs here. So now I will select the very first one and scroll down and hold Shift and select the last one, or you can hit Command A or Control A to select all, then tap Open, and now it is importing those skies into that folder. Now that that's complete, you have successfully installed your sky pack. You can see they are all here underneath this folder, SiK Blue Skies. And now all you have to do is simply tap on one of them and it will automatically change the sky here for you. It is pretty simple, and once you find the sky you like, you just tap off of it, and now you have all of these controls to be able to change whatever you want about the sky. You can shift the edges, make it a little bit cooler if you would like. These files were shot with a 45 megapixel camera, which means you can blow these skies up pretty big and move them around however you see fit and create the perfect composition. Once you are happy with your sky, you just click on OK, and there you have it, from old to new.